What's up guys, Sean from SB88 again. I'm going to show you this. This is the alarm siren on Vauxhall, Vivaro, Nissan Primastar, Renault Trafic on the 2011 model. And it's been going off. I haven't been able to see why it's going off, so we wanted to disconnect it temporarily, and I couldn't see it. So I've stripped it down just to get to this metal box that everyone says it's in online. Not this metal box, but this metal box. And you don't have to do like me and strip it down. You can get to the connector here. Yeah, you can get to this connector here, and that's the alarm connector there. So if you see it whenever in the all covered up and stuff, just look out for one connector that's on the bracket like that, and unplug it. That will stop your alarm going off. It will still flash and everything. If anyone knows the fuse number for it, let me know in the comments.